expensive. I will discuss this product with vitamins called black caroil, also known as a black cumin's Nigella specialties of Caligera benefits of Nigella oils increases the immunity systems of the body, improves memory, reduces the risk of heart problems, improves skin health, reduces arthritis and muscles pain. Najala is very important for the body, removes all stomach disease, bacteria and gas. Nigella works to eliminate arms. Important in Islam, black cumin is a medicine for all disease according to Islam because in a pure hidayah the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has clearly and especially indicated black cumin as a medicine for all disease except death. So, by today,